Well, I didn't even know I was going to make a video today, but Carol, she's feeling kind of down today. She kind of stayed at the camper. I came to town to pick up a few things. We were low on, well, adult beverages, and but anyway, I've found a few things on the way I'm just experimenting with. I want to show you something right now. I keep putting my hand in front of that because I don't know what I'm doing. So hang on, let me turn this camera around. Yeah, I'm here at this some overlook. It's pretty dang nice. Try to zoom it in. I don't know if I lose some of the definition. There's white sands back there. It's kind of hazy way back there. But man, it's a real pretty overlook. I want to say, well, there's a sign here. You can't read any of those. They're all sun bleached or something. I keep trying to zoom in on something. There's just a lot of houses and stuff back in there, and then way off on the edge is Alamogordo. And here's another sign you can't read, but this is the Haynes Canyon Vista. So, yeah, it's worth a stop. I thought, man, Bill, if you're going to make a video, stop and show somebody something. So that's what I'm doing right now. We're on our way back to camp, and if there's anything else, I'll probably pull over and film it. What's your name, dog? Hey, what's your name? We are at the Waterfall Lodge, and I guess that's my host right there. Man, I didn't know this place existed. Hey, how you doing? This is I guess it's more of a wedding venue, but they do have a few cabins here to rent. And she said they just finished having a big wedding here, and they're still kind of tidying things up. But yeah, it'd be a pretty good place to have a shindig back here. Let's see if I can. And they're very nice to let me just come ambling up here and walking around. And got this pond of these fish. I don't know if you can see those fish. I guess you can. I don't know what they are. I guess they're trout. But, yeah. Man, I appreciate them letting me look around up here. I was wondering what my next video was going to be, but I am at Waterfall Lodge. I'm I don't know, south of Cloudcroft. But she said you can rent a room, and they have kitchens, but this is not a bed and breakfast, so you better bring your own food. I don't know about that guy right there. I guess he's got a life jacket on. I don't know if that's a leopard or a cat, but he's got a nice life vest on. Maybe he's gonna catch a fish. Alright, here's another view. They got a little fireplace out here, a little patio. Pretty cool. I don't know if I got the name of the place in here, but this is a little makeshift bar area. I say makeshift, well, They do have salt guns. If you have any flies, they'll take care of them. Man, this is a nice place. And they've got a little, like a little retro camper over there. I don't know if you can rent that or what. And then there's some kind of tree. I don't know what these fruits are. Apples. Probably apple tree. It's loaded with them. I don't know what that is. Nice smoker. All right, I'm gonna move on. All right, we're coming down, and I'll try to show you the reason. Maybe this is the Waterfall Lodge, because there's a pretty good waterfall coming right there. I know it's running under this road. Some of it's running on top of the road, but there's one tier. Sorry, I'm inside the truck. And I suppose it runs into that pond right down there. I gotta be careful not to get into that crevice right there. I need to watch what I'm doing. And I hope the audio's coming out on this. I'm not talking very loud because I didn't want to draw a bunch of attention to myself out here. Probably in a place ain't none of my business. Boy, that water is clear. And look at there, another little waterfall coming on down. Several little holding pools. Little bridge over there. Now they got this water channel through here. It's pretty neat. You see how it goes from that big waterfall down to these little pools. And then if you look here, trying to get down here, see they have that big old log with like a water pipe through it and a chute. It runs under the road and over through the other log. Coming out there. Anyway, that's just kind of different. Something I never knew was back here. I don't know, I was just exploring. Everything goes from there. Just goes away. All right, let me see if I can find my way out of it. Boy, there are some nice homes back in here. So, all right, I'll get back in a little bit. All right, I'll just film a little more on the way out of here. There's a pretty nice little place. Man, I don't know. I just can't not film here. It's just beautiful. They've had some rain. You know, you hear about all this drought. Man, things are green. That grass is tall. Cows are fat. I didn't get it in time. There was 2 baby elk back there in the fields right next to some cattle. But I don't know if you see this area in this condition. I don't know if it's just the seasonal time of year, what it is. But man, it's a great time to be here. So, we'll see you down the road. I don't know if you can see him over there. But there's a big old bull elk out there. Hey everybody, this is Bill from Bill and Carol's Travel Project. I just wanted to try to put some sense to today's video. I didn't realize it was going to be a video. Carol was kind of feeling sick today, and I just went to town to get some things, mainly a Mega Millions lotto ticket. But we'll see how that turns out after the drawing. And but no, I was just going to town, and I just found some pretty sights. I just put them on there for you guys to look at. I want to put one scene on right now. I don't know how I can fit it in anywhere. I just thought it was pretty cool. This is a shot from our security cams on our RV at our campsite. So I'm going to show you this right quick. All right, well, that's going to do it for my video today. Please subscribe to this channel. If you see a little bell, click on that, and then you'll be notified whenever we make another video. And if you can, like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. It doesn't matter. Just I want to know you're there. Make a comment if you'd like. And just thanks for watching. See you next time.
Adios.